this however you want. I've seen some people who've cut it into little triangles and things like that. What I did personally in this video is I just used a spoon of just a plain Greek yogurt. I added a little bit of spicy microgreen mix. I find that a little bit of spice with beet goes really, really nicely. A little bit of fleur-de-sel on top, and then that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching as always. If you're not subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.